Uaigneas na Trá, Cua and Chladaigh, the loneliness of the strand.
War is anch shield an Chladaigh non Tráin a viscu siúlan Leithin. Dus mas yn Gymig.
Cos yr arch imlach byn yn dda hel.
Sinne byn yn da hil, yn da hi wai heli, yn síl siagus a síl ar, nyr dat wyr is y Chladaigh na gewari. Tán arig eistach mar rwyd. Tán arig clúdach suas, ar y hwrt a hal, darlun. Dat is i gewari na'r chwl yma gyriow. Wrth yn sianach o yma gyriow. Fys farig. If you would ever walk on the shore alone, whether the tide is in or out, whether it's late or early, there's always a sense of loneliness there, as if you're not alone, although you're there on your own, but there was something spiritual telling you that you're not there alone. And as children we were always told not to be on the shore on your own. Whether that was late or early. That's why that the older people always looked out for you if you were in the shore. They would always keep an eye out. Didn't matter where the tide was. Whether it was in close or out far. They were always told, don't be on the shore on your own.